essentialities of the ankle and foot. First of all, each foot is made up of 26 bones, 30 joints, and more than 100 muscles, tendons, and ligaments put together. Their main job is to provide support, balance, and mobility. Now, it's got terrific nerve supply, proprioceptive supply, kinesthetic senses in the ankle joints and every articulation of the ankle joint, because your foot is the first thing that's going to make contact with the ground. And this is what gives us our stability during mobility. It helps us identify the type of surface, the adjustments that our foot have to continually make to conform to the surface. So it only makes sense that it is made up of little bits put together that can work around the surface that it needs to walk on. So